Charlie, do you know what is going on?
No.
Now Ghana have 4 dead cases.
The numbers keep increasing.
I hear me to me, but me. No.